Now we're going to go ahead and install the wheels onto the chiller. If you have a friend, definitely recommend using a buddy system to install this. If you do not have a friend, find a wall that you can lean the chiller in, but essentially you want to lean it this far up. Use a short Phillips screwdriver. Open up the bag. Your screws will be in its own separate poly bag, and you should have an extra one. And you want to basically add a washer and mount the screws. Don't put the screw all the way in. Make sure the wheel is still loose. And then once you have all the 4 screws in, then you tighten all of them. When installing the wheels onto the chiller, again, just be cautious. It's the most expensive part of the system, so you don't want to flip it on its sides or upside down because it has refrigerant inside and a compressor, so definitely keep it upright the whole time you're handling the chiller. Now that we have the wheels on, it's easy to maneuver it and place it into the position.